in an underground bunker, Jamie and Adam captured an exquisite world exclusive.
Oh, no way! Wow! We've just taken a shot with a high-speed camera called the Phantom of a bullet exiting a gun at 73,000 frames per second. 73,000. I seriously had no idea it would be that lovely. Oh my, I gotta go back and watch it again. The artifacts that you start to be able to see, mushroom clouds and little rivulets of gases and fire forming on flame fronts of pressure waves and stuff I'm not sure many people in the world have ever even looked at. It's just really cool. Yep, it's cool.